On behalf of Expert Village, my name is George Engel with Mr. Fix-It Handyman here in Miami, Florida. And today I'm going to be showing you how to install weather stripping on the exterior of your garage. Alright, we're going to clean up our edges with our scraper again. I'm going to use a hammer this time because in the corners sometimes you get a buildup of the stucco they use outside, at least here. So we want to make sure that our corners are nice and clean. Of course, DIY wear helps. Make sure our corners are nice and clean because that's where we're going to meet up with the new one. So again, make sure that your paint, stucco, so on and so forth is pretty much even all the way across, so when the new one goes on, it doesn't have anything, you don't have anything getting in your way. It leaves for a lot less work when you're done, and when you go to finish it off, it makes the job much easier for you.